Hello students, in this video I want to show you how to simplify complex rational expressions. What is a complex rational expression? A complex rational expression is an expression P over Q where P is a rational expression and Q is another rational expression. So you have a rational expression made out by rational expressions. The first example is this one. I have 3 over x plus 5 over y equals 6 over xy. When you are going to simplify complex rational expressions, in my opinion, the easier way to do it is finding the least common denominator of all the rational expressions involved, and then to multiply every single expression, by this least common denominator. In this case, pretty clear that the least common denominator, is xy. Remember that the least common denominator of an algebraic expression would be, the least common denominator of a group of algebraic expressions would be that the simplest algebraic expression that is divisible by all the algebraic expressions that are involved. So we have two expressions, two variables, x and y, that are involved here, and it's very clear then that the least common denominator is xy, because xy is divisible by x, is divisible by y, and is divisible by itself. So once we have defined what is the least common denominator, now we're going to multiply each expression by this least common denominator. So you say this is 3 over x times xy plus 5 over y times xy all over 6 over xy times xy. Now you will simplify, to clear the fractions. So you simplify the x here, simplify the y's here, simplify the xy with the xy. So that's why now you get here 3y plus 5x over 6. So when you simplify the given expression, the given complex rational expression, this is the result that we obtain. We have a similar exercise here now that says 2 over x plus 3 over x squared over 5 minus 1 over x. Again, the first would be to find the least common denominator. This least common denominator is x squared, So now we're going to multiply all my expressions by x squared. So I say 2 over x times x squared plus 3 over x squared times x squared over 5 times x squared minus 1 over x times x squared. Now it's time to simplify. You will simplify this x over here with one of the x of the x squared. So you still have one x. You simplify the x squared with the x squared here. You will simplify then now this x with one of the x of the x squared. And then, now you get the following expression. You get 2x plus 3 over 5x squared minus 1 times x, that is x. So 2x multiplying these two plus 3, then 5x squared here on the bottom, and then 1x multiplying, these two factors. We have a common factor x in our denominator, so we're going to factor x out. So we have 2x plus 3 over 5 times, over x times 5x minus 1. You factor the x out because you have a common factor x in the denominator, so you get x times 5x minus 1, factoring x out. And then this is the resultant expression, that you get when you simplify the given complex rational expression.